everyone, it's another day and a slightly blustery one. I think I was just looking at the weather and it's fairly mild, but I think the wind is pretty bad and it's going to bring the temperature down a bit, but we're not looking at getting any rain at the moment, so that's positive. I do of course apologise for any shaky camera work that might be happening at the moment. I've got a bit of contraption attached to my car, so if it works, it works. Well, there's Sally. Hi, Sally. Today is Tuesday, so there's only so much time I can get out on the course because it's actually Ladies' Day and they have their tees reserved. So I'm not sure how much, actual on-course practice I'm going to get in today, but I'll play as much as I can. And what I was thinking doing was talking through how I play golf. Now, what I mean by that is, how do I pick my strategy on certain holes? How do I choose my club? And how do I set up to the ball, go through my pre-shot routine to make sure that I get the best shot or best result possible. I guess this is something I've actually kind of wanted to look at for a while, because when I feel like I'm in the zone, I do have a really good pre-shot routine and something that works for me. Sometimes though, I think, and we're probably all guilty of this, you can get a little bit lazy. When you get lazy, that routine is the first thing that goes. You step up, you hit the ball, and you deal with the consequences later, when really that 40 seconds before you hit a ball, it's just as important as the swing you're about to make, in my opinion. So that's something we'll look at today. Having said that, if you've got any ideas for any videos that I could do, then just drop me a comment or drop me a message and let me know. I'm always open to trying something different in these vlogs. I mean, a part of it is just me practicing, and then I suppose the other part is me showing you something about my game or the game, or even maybe just discussing something that's going on in golf. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and please do feel free to comment, share, subscribe, follow, all those good things. It'll really, really help me out. Okay, so let's start just by going through pre-shot routine. So I've got the camera set up behind me, so you should be able to see that from mine. Obviously I wouldn't usually be holding a GoPro in my right hand. However, so I've already done all the hard stuff. I've picked my club, I know what I'm hitting. This is fairly straight away, just a normal par 4 where I can hit a driver as hard as I want, really. So the next thing I need to do is just pick my line. So what I like to do is hold my club up in front of me, I'll stick one, I try and pick something in the distance above ground, so it makes a bit of a clearer line for me. Then what I'm trying to do is track that, almost with like a PlayStation game line, all the way back to my ball. And then I'm trying to pick something really easy to aim at, probably about 18 inches to 2 foot in front of my ball. So in this case, I've got a little mark on the ground just here, which for me looks absolutely perfect. And then from there, do is visualize the shot as best as I can. So I'm seeing that ball come off the club face, I'm thinking about what a good shot would look like from here. This is a really, really important part of your pre-shot routine, that pre-visualization, and something I've always done. So once I've got that, I would then step back, I would have a bit of a loosener swing. I'm not really having a swing thought there, I'm more just sort of feeling it. I'm still using that time to visualize. And then from there I'm locked in, so I've got my spot in front of me, and then I'm probably going to take one full practice swing as if I was hitting the ball. Obviously not that easy to do on this, I will go through it in a second. And then I'll step in, I'll have one swing thought, which might be different days. For me at the moment it's just playing right-handed golf, so pulling the club away with my right hand, and then all you got to do is make a full rotation and commit to the shot. So it's pretty easy to do, but if you get it right every time, it makes life a lot easier. So I'll try and do it now and hit a good shot.
So how do we get to the point that we're ready to hit our shot?
Well, there's a lot of factors, and we'll start on this par 3 here. This is the 5th at South Beds. So the first thing we want to focus on is how far is the shot. So for me, I've just done this, and it's 200 yards on the nose. 200 yards, but it's a massive wind, which you can probably hear, which I would say is probably about 25 mile an hour, which is at least a car, maybe a little more. The other thing that I know is that the green is soft when it gets there, so I do need to carry it most of the way, even though it's wind with. So for me, I'm going to go with a 7. Makes no sense. I feel like the wind is going to help me just off the right. So as we look down the hole here, we can see that there is bunkers left and bunkers right, but the bunkers right are a little short. So I know that that's my safe side, because I can carry those easily, and the way that the wind is working should push it left towards the end anyway. So now all I have to do is commit to the shot and follow that pre-shot routine, and the result should be good. So you know it's pretty bad when your trolley, which is a tour bag with a power caddy, falls over. It's pretty windy. Falling golf bags aside, I've actually hit a nice shot there. As I said, it is really windy, but I'm really happy. I've actually just come into a bush so that I can maybe be heard. But if I just show you there, probably about 25 foot, just short, but really solid middle of the green 7-iron. Pretty happy with that. So now let's talk about lining up these putts. I did actually mention something about this the other day as I prepared my pitch. I did actually mention something about this the other day, and what I'm trying to do at the moment is last maybe 2 or 3 feet into the hole and then trace everything back from there. That'll help me get the line really early, and then all I really got to think about is the pace. And when you've got these putt putts, which is a little longer than maybe thought, it's probably about 35 foot, on a par 3, which is a tough par 3 as well, especially today, I'm going to be really happy with a 2 putt. It's just getting a little bit crazy how windy it is. It's like I can't get a camera to stand up on a tripod. I'm having to weigh it down. It's like living in a wind tunnel. It's been like this for months. Annoyingly, it's become another really weather affected day. The wind is mental. It's like being in a hurricane. I feel like I'm Michael Jackson in the Earth Song video. It's going so unfortunately, what I was talking through, which was my strategy on different holes, we've had to cut slightly short, but we'll pick it up again in tomorrow's vlog. At the moment, there's just nothing I can do. It's too windy. I can't film anything because my tripods just keep falling over. So sometimes you just got to cut your losses. So we'll pick this back up at home. So as I said out on the course there, today just ended up being too windy to really do much, and unfortunately that's affected my filming and definitely the sound quality of this video as well. So yeah, we've cut it short for today, but we'll pick up where we left off, going on to a par 4 and the par 5 strategy in tomorrow's vlog, which is set to be slightly nicer weather. So I do apologise for a slightly cut down video today, but we'll make up for it tomorrow, and hopefully just maybe the pre-shot routine you'll have got something out of as well. We carry on, we'll go again.